Oh my, there is just so much to do today. The kitchen is a mess and dinner won't cook itself.
Mama looks really busy. I wish I could do something to help her out. I've got it. I'm a big monkey now. I can help with the chores and surprise Mama. Let's start by wiping this table. Scrub, scrub, scrub. This is going to be so clean. Wait a minute. Why are the crumbs going everywhere? This isn't what I planned at all.
Slowly, Bobo. Use long, steady strokes. One spot at a time, see?
Oh, I understand now. Slow and steady wins a race. Look, Mama, I'm doing it. Now for the next challenge. I can carry all these plates to the cupboard at once. Whoa! Steady, steady. They are much heavier and wobblier than they look. Oops! Oh no!
It's okay, Bobo. No harm done. Remember, it is better to take small steps than to rush.
You're right, Mama. I'll take 2 plates at a time. Much better. Now, can I help with the flour? I'm the head chef today. Stirring and mixing, stirring and mixing.
Careful, little chef. You'll turn into a powdered donut if you aren't careful.
Hi, Bobo. I heard you were having a cleaning party. Do you need an extra pair of hands? Yes, Mimi. The more the merrier. Let's work together to make this house sparkle for Mama. I'll handle the dusting if you handle the organizing. Step by step, we'll get it done. Wow, look at that. Helping out is actually a lot of fun when we do it together. And finished! Look at this kitchen. It's like a brand new room.
I'm so proud of you, Bobo. And thank you, Mimi. You've both made my day so much easier.
Helping at home makes everyone happy. Remember, friends, let's always help our family with a big smile.